We are now about to start the Agramox capstone simulation. Before we begin, it's important to recognize something. You are not starting from zero. Through the MOOCs, you've already explored business planning, project development, entrepreneurship in rural contexts, and civic participation. You already understand how ideas become businesses, how businesses create impact, and how communities can be transformed. You also bringing key entrepreneurial concepts into this experience. You've learned how to identify opportunities, turn ideas into business models, and understand customers and markets. And you've started developing real business skills, financial thinking, marketing decisions, and strategic planning. But entrepreneurship is not just about profit. You've explored how businesses can create real impact, balancing people, planet, and profit. The most successful ventures create value not just economically, but socially and environmentally as well. You've also looked at real-world challenges, especially in rural communities. Limited resources, inequality, and economic pressures are real. And entrepreneurship plays a critical role in creating opportunities, building resilience, and supporting local communities. Now, you're not learning alone. You'll be working with people from different countries, cultures, and perspectives. This experience is collaborative, interactive, and co-created, meaning you will learn with each other, not just individually. Now we move from learning to doing. This is not a lecture. This is not a test. This is a simulation, where you will make decisions, run a business, and see real consequences. In this simulation, you will run a virtual business as a team. You'll make decisions, and those decisions will create results. You'll experiment, you'll make mistakes, and most importantly, you'll learn from what actually happens. Over the past weeks, you have explored concepts, frameworks, and ideas through the MOOCs and company play. That work matters, because good decisions need good foundations. But anyone involved in agriculture knows something important. Reading about farming and running a farm are not the same experience. You can study soil, weather, crops, and markets, but eventually there comes a moment when planning becomes practice. The simulation is that moment. This is your growing season. Success here is not about coming first. What really matters is your participation, your teamwork, your reflection, and your learning. Getting everything right is not the goal, learning from the process is. Your role is simple, but important. Be involved. Work as a team. Debate. Question. Share your ideas. Learn from other cultures and countries. Most importantly, think, discuss, reflect, and improve. This is your opportunity to apply what you've learned, test your ideas, and learn through experience. Because you don't learn entrepreneurship by studying it. You learn it by doing it. Let's begin.